Cold Buster Smoothie with Veggie Lisa. You whipped one up for me so I can taste it while you show everyone how to put it together.
Yeah, so it's super easy. Another like 2-minute recipe. So you just start with like an unsweetened, this is just like an almond milk. You can do coconut milk, whatever you like. And then of course we're gonna put in some oranges for our vitamin C.
Okay.
And then I always like to put a little bit of protein powder in mine because I'm a vegetarian. And this is just a vegan protein powder. So again, we're kind of trying to avoid the dairy.
Yeah.
And we've got some strawberries, because strawberries are really high in zinc.
Okay, yes, which they're so good at. And then we have to tell everyone your secret ingredient.
Oh, ginger.
Ginger!
Ginger. And this is what it looks like. It's literally, you just peel it, put a couple segments in it. It's antibiotic. It helps heal your gut and nausea.
So ginger is the secret.
Ginger is the secret. That's why they have pregnant women drink ginger ale.
Oh my gosh. Okay, and I just dropped that.
Oh, and guess what? We're just putting the whole peel in there.
Wait, we are? Oh,
Yeah.
okay, pouring it in.
There you
Some
go.
ice cubes.
Yep.
The entire lemon.
Okay. And a banana, and that's
a banana.
And you
We're going to
just
blend it up. You guys, this is tasty. I'm going to drink the rest of this. Brooke and Dave, come on, get in here. You guys can find Veggie Lisa's recipes on our website, the Cold Buster Smoothie, and then we made this yummy salad earlier in the show.
The carrot sesame salad.
And then
It's
what
delicious.
else is new with you right now?
So right now I'm having a no sugar challenge going through December 22nd. So come join. It's lots of fun. We have awesome giveaways.
Okay.
All right.
Veggie Lisa.
All right, we got to go.